Hey guys, today we will discuss about ZX cough syrup. The contents of ZX cough syrup is the chlorpheniramine and the dextromethorphan hydrobromide. The quantity of ZX cough syrup contains is chlorpheniramine 2 mg and the dextromethorphan is 10 mg by per 5 ml. And the MRP of ZX cough syrup is 131 for 100 ml bottle. The green bottle available for ZX cough syrup manufactured by Vocard Limited. The storage condition of ZX cough syrup is 10 to 30 degrees Celsius. The ZX cough syrup is a combination medicine. The chlorpheniramine is an anti-allergic which help reduce coughs associated with allergic by blocking the effect of chemical messenger histamine. And the dextromethorphan hydrobromide is cough suppressant which relieves cough by reducing the activity of cough center in the brain. The uses and benefit of ZX cough syrup is for dry cough. Dry cough, also known as non-productive cough, is cough where no phlegm and mucus is produced. ZX cough syrup suppress dry cough, aching cough. It will also relieve allergy symptom like watery eyes, sneezing, running nose, or throat irritation, and help you carry out your daily activities more easily. The medicine is totally safe and effective. The ZX cough syrup usually start to work within a few minutes and the effect can last up to several hours. The side effect of ZX cough syrup: upset stomach and the sleeplessness is the side effect of ZX cough syrup for the rare cases. The alternate brands of ZX cough syrup is Respira D 2 mg and the Tosex DMR kiwi sugar free syrup by Abbott Pharma. The Delitus D strawberry syrup by Abbott and the Rexcof DX by Cipla. It is the alternative brands of the ZX cough syrup. So let's talk about some safety advice. Don't use with the alcohol cough syrup. Please consult your doctor first. Is ZX cough syrup safe to use during pregnancy? No. Consult your doctor first. Not is used in breastfeeding and if you are driving or operating a machinery work, please do not take ZX cough syrup because it contains chlorpheniramine and dextromethorphan which cause sleeplessness and drowsiness. So please don't take excessive dose and do not take with drivery and machinery work. So for liver disease, please do not take ZX cough syrup. Is it totally unsafe? For severe kidney disease, please don't take ZX cough syrup. If you wanna take, please consult your doctor first. So guys, it is the review about ZX cough syrup. I will suggest you first. The ZX cough syrup is also available in green and some lime green bottle. If you wanna take ZX cough syrup original, please take hallmark with Vocards and please check the expiry and manufacturing date. So it is the ZX cough syrup review. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon too. Thank you.